Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to enable Passkey on MEXC. Passkey is a secure passwordless login method that uses your device's authentication instead of password, so here is how you can easily enable Passkey on MEXC app. Launch open MEXC application on your device and log in. Once logged into the account, go to the upper left corner and tap on the profile icon. You'll come across this section where you need to click on Security from the bottom. Now on the next page, under Two-Factor Authentication, tap on Passkey. Now, click on Add Now in the pop-up, and then you need to verify your email and your Google verification code if you have enabled the authentication. Click on the Get Code button under Email option and wait for the email verification to arrive in your inbox. Go open up your email inbox and you'll receive an email from MEXC with a code. Go ahead and copy the code or write it down manually inside the MEXC app. After you type it down, open up your Google Authenticator application. Copy the code from MEXC and paste it in the next field inside the MEXC app and click Confirm. Now in the pop-up, click on Add Passkey, and this will scan your Face ID or your biometrics, and you have successfully set up Passkey on your MEXC app. You can now verify your identity with a fingerprint or facial recognition for a safer and more convenient experience. So that's how you easily add a passkey on your MEXC application. Now you can log in securely using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device's PIN without entering your password each time. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.